played good. Was windy, so tough conditions, but overall I played good. So now I'm happy with my performance. I'm looking forward to the next round.
Okay, tough encounter right there against Leo Borg. You left everything out there on the court. Your thoughts on the match?
It was a tough match. I think the first set was really close. I felt like I played well. Physically, it started to get tough for me in the second set. It really being really hot out here. He upped his level in the second set, honestly. So I feel like he deserves to get the win with him.
Tough one out there.
Yeah.
It came down to really who wanted it more, right?
Yeah.
And you came out the winner. Your thoughts on it?
Yeah, it was a great match. It's so hard to play in these conditions. I was dying on it, honestly, but I got to a good start. I was playing well. I thought we were both playing well. And then I took the lead in the second set and took my foot off the gas. Credit to Zeke, he's a great player. He started to pick it up. I took my foot off the gas. I was very tired, but I'm just happy to get the win.
Yeah, it was pretty ugly tennis on my part, but did what I could to fight back. Got back on serve in the second after being down double break, but I 10% job.
What do you think you probably could have done a little better today?
I feel like I could start off a little bit stronger. I'm letting him dictate a little bit too much, and I kind of carried that through the rest of the match.
You're sticking around for the third tournament?
No, I'm not here.